what is CCRSPP and how can CRISP help us understand narrative writing better? Welcome to Teaching Creative Writing with Ms. Ria and the Creative Writing Institute, and today we are going to look at CRISP and how we can use CRISP to write our stories. Now firstly, what is CRISP? The acronym was designed and created to make it very easy to recall. So think of crispy chips, think of something crunchy, crisp. So what does CRISP mean? So I'm going to use some excerpts from our Standard 1 and 2 narrative writing textbook, where I will demonstrate what is CRISP, and then I will explain how CRISP and understanding CRISP can help us to understand narrative writing better and also improve our own story writing skills. So CRISP stands for the elements of the story, or all of the components that make up a story. First being character. Character can be persons, objects, or animals in the story. Then we have conflict. Conflict would refer to the problem or the high point of the story. The resolution in a story would be how this is solved. The setting would be the time and place in the story. Point of view would be who is telling the story. This can be first person or third person narration. And then we have plot, the sequence of events in a story. In our Standard 1 and 2 textbook, to reinforce CRISP, we would have presented several stories where students would read and then elicit the elements of the story, or CRISP, as seen in this worksheet here. We also would have carried over this content in our Standard 3, 4, and 5 textbooks as well. So I hope that our lesson today was quite beneficial for you, so we understand CRISP and we understand how CRISP works in the story so that we know what goes into a story.